So I have deleted the sketch, and for creating that particular booster we have to go to Revolve and select the sketch. Now I mentioned you that we require a axis around which the section has to be rotated or revolved. So right now I'm clicking on the local center line and I'm clicking at some random position. If I want, I can just vary the distance. So this particular center line what I've created, I want this to be designated as the center or the axis of revolution. So let me just hold right click on it. Let me recreate it. And hold right click, you will be getting an option called designate axis of revolution. So this will be designated as the axis of revolution. You will be getting a message that the best practice to assign the center line is to select the geometry center line, which is the global center line placed at this particular location. So it doesn't matter, we have just assigned over here, so we can just continue. And let me just try to create a booster. So we have a closed loop, we have the axis. So let us see what are we getting right now. So we got the booster, okay, but it is not connected. We can connect it with some other options. Like for example, we can create a extrude command. And we can extrude it on the other side. So right now I'm just creating this particular geometry based on my own dimensions. This is a sample example. So the point over here was to explain you the procedure for creating a revolve geometry beside a geometry which was already created using a revolve option. Okay, so what have I done over here? I have just created a center line and I have assigned the center line to be the axis of revolution, and I have created the sketch over here. Then I just pressed OK and I got the cross section ready with me. Then if I wanted, I can connect them with some additional components. So this is about solid modeling. We can just try to do anything over here. We can just try to create or use any option and create different geometries. What if I want to create the same thing on the right hand side? So I can just select on extrude and the revolve geometry, because revolve 10 is the booster what we have created and this is the connecting part if we are assuming it to be. So we can just select them and click on mirror and select the plane to be mirrored. So this is a geometry which with two different components on each side of it. So this is the way we actually work, and if we are having the exact dimensions which I will be getting during the sample exercises, then our geometries will be looking very pretty. So this is all about Revolve. I believe we have worked and we have understood different procedures for creating geometries using the Revolve command, and let us try to model the exercises to make ourselves perfect with the Revolve command.